Imagine for a moment, it's winter. The wind is blowing hard and the snow begins to cover the landscape. You are warm inside, sitting by a crackling fireplace. The flames dance joyfully, spreading comforting warmth and a soothing ambiance. This fire, this heat, is the result of your work thanks to a powerful and efficient tool, the electric wood splitter Forest Master FM10-7. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we select especially for you every day. This splitter is ideal for fireplace enthusiasts and wood stove owners looking to split wood easily and safely. Perfect for those who want to combine power and efficiency in their cutting tasks. The Forest Master is more than just a tool. It is a revolution in the world of wood splitters. With its 3 horsepower electric motor and a splitting force of 7 tons, this device allows you to cut your logs with astonishing ease. But what really sets it apart is its Duocut blade, an innovation that doubles the efficiency of the splitter. Imagine being able to split logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter effortlessly in record time. Yes, with the Forest Master FM7, this becomes possible. Safety is a top priority with this splitter. It is equipped with a button and a lever that must be operated simultaneously, thus preventing any one-handed operation. This feature ensures compliance with the latest safety standards. You can work with peace of mind, knowing that every precaution has been taken to protect your safety. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews that attest to their satisfaction. The cycle of the Forest Master FM7 is fully adjustable with a return prevention device that saves you from having to complete a full cycle. With each use, this means less time spent waiting and more time splitting wood. In just 15 seconds, the splitter is ready for the next log. And thanks to its weatherproof protection compliant with IP standards, you can use it even in unfavorable weather conditions without fearing damage. With a voltage of 240 volts and a power of 2200 watts, this lawnmower is designed for the toughest tasks. It is robust with a net weight of 47 kg, which gives it exceptional stability and durability. The Forest Master FM7 is not only powerful but also reliable and durable. In addition to its impressive performance, this splitter is also very practical. It comes with a stand that allows you to work at a comfortable height, thereby reducing fatigue and back pain. Additionally, the number of well-thought-out handles makes it easy to move and set up. The Forest Master FM7 has already won over many users, as evidenced by the more than 200 positive reviews. It has a high average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Customer reviews praise its power, ease of use, and enhanced safety. Hundreds of fireplace, wood stove, and barbecue owners have already trusted Forest Master for their firewood supply. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, power and efficiency. With a force of 7 tons and a 3 horsepower motor, the Forest Master FM7 easily splits logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter. Advantage number 2, maximum safety. The simultaneous button and lever prevent any one-handed operation, ensuring safe use. Advantage number 3, adjustable and fast cycle. The 15-second cycle and the anti-reverse device allow for quick use without wasting time. Advantage, protection against the elements. In accordance with the IP standard, it can be used even in unfavorable weather conditions. Practical and ergonomic advantage. Supplied with a stand, the splitter allows for work at a comfortable height, reducing physical fatigue. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, weight. At 47 kg, the splitter can be heavy to move for some people. In summary, the Forest Master FM7 is not just a wood splitter. It is an investment in your comfort and safety. It guarantees a reliable and efficient device that will make your winters warmer and more enjoyable. So why wait? Click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and see the hundreds of customer reviews. Discover for yourself why the Forest Master FM7 is the #1 choice for firewood enthusiasts. You won't regret it. Consider subscribing to discover our selection of the best products every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you soon.